The stunning 4K video and one-button design of HERO5 Session may be the ultimate combination of performance and simplicity. Loaded with pro-quality capture features, it's also a connected GoPro that makes it easy to access, edit, and share on any device. Capture your life as you've never seen it with HERO5 Session. What's included? HERO5 Session camera, standard frame, curved adhesive mount, flat adhesive mount, mounting buckle, USB-C cable, durable by design. HERO5 Session is waterproof to 33 ft, 10 m, without a housing. Additional GoPro HERO5 Session features benefits below on item page. Photos are captured at 10 MP with a 4:3 aspect ratio. A single press of the shutter button powers the camera on and starts recording. Automatically refer user manual and installation manual below for software update instructions. Operating system compatibility, Mac, PC. Note: make sure your GoPro is charged. To charge your camera, use USB cable and a computer or charge device manufactured by GoPro. If your camera freezes, press and hold the menu button for about 8 seconds until your camera powers off. This reset saves all of your content and settings. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.